Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Ainul from Faculty of Chemical Engineering. This interview is part of our case study 2 project where we are exploring societal, health, safety, legal and cultural issues related to biodiesel production from waste cooking oil using immobilized lipase. So today I'm speaking with Dr. Nur Fauzia Ishaq, lecturer from Faculty of Chemical Engineering, to get insights on professional responsibilities in sustainable engineering. Thank you, Doctor, for joining this interview.
Okay, thank you for having me for this interview.
So for the first question, from Doctor perspective as a chemical engineering academic, what are the key responsibilities of engineers when designing green technologies such as biodiesel production from waste?
Okay, good question. Okay, when I heard about the biodiesel production from waste, actually, currently I got one project with the nuclear agency that we come up with the biocatalyst for heterogeneous biocatalyst, which is come from the waste material, which is EFP. Then we come up to produce the biochar by using the pyrolysis process, and then this heterogeneous biocatalyst will be replaced the homogeneous reaction that we use the chemical in terms of biodiesel production. So for the key responsibility, usually you have to make sure the usage of the biocatalyst itself must be sustainable, which is you must ensure that this is the method that you use is renewable for the waste. And such as, for example, for the biodiesel itself, we're using the waste cooking oil. So we have an abundance of the household usage of the cooking oil, and then we can come up to the byproduct ataupun by process it back to get the biodiesel production. And the second key will be you punya waste minimization. So that's why we use the biocatalyst in terms of heterogeneous catalyst. In a way, we want to recycle back in using the biodiesel production. So this is a very economic feasibility also. So they have the three key. First one is the sustainability. The second one, you have to make sure you zero ataupun minimize the waste, and also the third one is the economic feasibility in terms of the practical of the application itself. Okay, thank you.
Okay, for the second question, how important is it for engineers to consider health, safety and public awareness when introducing process that involve enzyme and waste materials?
Okay, in terms of the process, you should consider all these things lah, health, regulatory and also the safety. So right now, if you're using the waste material, you make sure the waste that you use will go through the safe process. It could be in terms of the flammable ataupun any toxics of the side effect of the waste itself. So make sure you properly know what the side effect, and also must be compliant with the law regulation and so on lah, to make it practice the process in terms biodiesel production. I think this. Okay.
So for the last question, so what advice would Dr. give to engineering students or young professionals who are interested in working on sustainable energy projects?
Okay, for me itself, what we have been through in our experience during the engineer process, first of all, we already learn on the fundamental. So we already learn on the mass balance, energy balance, all the sustainability study, all we have learned in the classes. So in a while, you want to practice in the real world, you have to make sure you understand what the industrial punya main point, and basically we as an engineer later, we want to solve the real problem that occur in the industry. So that's why you have to make sure you understand what their needs to align with all the knowledge that you have been learned lah. And then you practice wisely lah. What you have been learned, you practice in the industry later. Make sure all the knowledge yang you belajar during the classes tu you implement in a good way ataupun in the right way lah. Okay. Good luck to all the engineers. Make sure you practice what you have learned, and also if you're very interested to use the biomass or waste generation, you make sure you think properly in order to solve the current issue in the industry lah.
Okay,
Good luck.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for your valuable input. So this will greatly support our project and deepen our understanding of ethical and professional responsibilities in engineering. So thank you, Doctor,
Okay, thank
for
you.
this interview.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Razik. I'm from Chemical Engineering Faculty of UiTM Shah Alam. So today I would like to interview you regarding my biocatalyst assignment. Can you give me a brief introduction?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rafiq, water treatment operation from Science.
Okay, moving on to my first question. Have you heard of biogas or biodiesel?
Yes, I do. We have some biogas byproduct with sludge that is created when processing the water for consumer consumption.
So moving on to my next question. What is the main safety of health concern when working with enzyme or chemicals?
At Science, usually we have compliance with Act that is related to HSA. We mainly use chlorine and lime water. The chemicals involved is hazardous to the staff involved, and adequate precaution it must be maintained for daily operation. PPE is a must.
Okay, moving on to my next question. How important is public awareness and acceptance of biofuel production?
Yes, but we don't deal with biofuel, yeah?
Okay, moving on to my next question. Okay, so what advice will you give to chemical engineering graduates, students who want to pursue sustainable energy projects?
Good luck and all the best. We need those improvements for future in Malaysia.
Okay, that's all for this interview. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Rafiq.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Razik.